Hello students, thanks for joining. Let's move on to the next question on differentiation. Here we have been given that if y is x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x square plus and so on, then dy by dx equal to which of the following expressions. Right? So we observe that here there is an unending series and this structure is actually called as continued fraction. Right? So we see that it's a fraction inside another fraction. So in such cases, typically what we do is we will observe that skipping first x square term, that is keeping first x square term aside, in the second term the denominator is nothing but the original expression appearing again, right? So that we can definitely replace with y itself, right? So you may wonder now how come it is correct, because we have already skipped one term in x square, right? So how come the remaining terms together make up the same y? The reason lies in the fact that there are infinitely many steps in this. Okay, so from infinity, even if you remove just one, then whatever remains is still the infinite number of terms, right? It may look little counterintuitive, but technically that is perfectly correct, right? So moving on, now we get a very simple expression or a shorter expression to differentiate. So let's go ahead and differentiate. We will get dy by dx equal to 2x minus 1 by y square times dy by dx. Perfect, because we have to differentiate 1 by y with respect to x, so we have to use the chain rule. Now let us bring that negative term on the left so that we can club the dy by dx terms, and we will have 1 plus 1 upon y square in one bracket multiplied with dy by dx equal to 2x. So if you add the two terms in the bracket, we get y square plus 1 upon y square, and taking that on the right side gives you 2x y square divided by y square plus 1 is nothing but dy by dx. So we got an expression for dy by dx. But observe that this expression is not given in any one of the options. So although what we have got is correct, we have to somehow transform it into a different form. So let's think, what can we do? For that, let us observe all the options contain only the xy term and not xy square. So that means here it gives us a clue that suppose we divide the expression that we have got with y in numerator as well as denominator, we will get 2xy divided by y plus 1 upon y. Perfect. So okay, this is what we got. Still it is not one of the options given, so what else we can do? Let us think. From the original equation, observe that we can replace 1 upon y with y minus x square, isn't it? So therefore that is what we are going to replace in the expression that we got. So hence we get 2xy upon y plus 1 upon y can be written as y minus x square. And now therefore we see that we get the expression 2xy divided by 2y minus y square, and this is clearly the option A, right? That matches with the expression that we got. So therefore that is the answer to this question.